Fabricating eyeglasses and dental appliances requires skill with precise instruments, exacting accuracy, and an understanding of different materials. Dental and ophthalmic laboratory technicians rely on all these qualities to create and repair products to improve patients' dental and vision health. Dental laboratory technicians use molds of a patient's teeth to construct crowns, bridges, and dentures. They use hand tools and 3D printers to form materials, such as wax, plastic, and porcelain, into prosthetic appliances. Dental lab technicians work closely with dentists, but rarely interact with patients. Ophthalmic laboratory technicians make prescription eyeglasses and contact lenses. They may fill orders using automated equipment or working by hand. Some make lenses for optical instruments, such as telescopes and binoculars. Technicians may need to wear goggles, gloves, or masks and spend a great deal of time standing or bending. They work in medical equipment and supplies manufacturing, stores, and dentist and optometrist offices. Most work full-time. Dental and ophthalmic laboratory technicians typically need at least a high school diploma or equivalent and receive on-the-job training. High school courses in science, human anatomy, math, computer programming, and art may be helpful.